Coming up in centre circle, hail the champions! Kingston College and Clarendon College reign supreme in schoolboy football. Clearing the hurdle, Ludlow Bernard is now a Manning Cup winning coach, and it's all about peace for Shelley and Fraser Price. The divisional champions of the ISSA schoolboy football competitions have now been decided. The Manning Cup was the first out of the way, as Kingston College did it the hard way in a come-from-behind 3-2 win over North Street neighbours St George's College. The win ended KC's 32-year wait for a hold on the crown, and the scoreline reflected the years in numbers. KC would have missed some chances, but they had their hearts in their mouths when St George's College were presented with the best chance of the game, but watched as their title hopes went up in smoke. As their motto says, the brave may fall but never yield, and that was displayed by the Purples, who fought back to get the job done at the buzzer. And fittingly, it was the captain who got the winning goal.
My name will be in the history book for Kingston College. After 32 long years, the drought is over. Joy, joy, joy. All I can say is joy. If you look in the background, you hear everybody cheering for KC. We let KC the fraternity proud.
I feel very great to become the man of the match at the last moment of the season, which is the final match. I feel very great.
What does this mean to you, a very young player? Your school, they have not won in 32 years. What does this mean to you?
Well, this means a lot to put my name in the history book of Kingston College. So the generation, 20th generation, them being in history book. What was going through my mind is that I was just coming out there with a fighting spirit to just get back a goal. I knew in myself that I would score, but I don't know when. Well, at that time I didn't know myself. I was just running wild, celebrating, couldn't believe it. Tears of joy.
You know, you're 2-1 down with less than half of the game to go. You have to be worried, but you know, we have a motto says the brave may fall and never yield. And we'll live that. We'll live that. That is our calling card. Whenever we are down, we think about that. And that is what usually carries us through, you know, in tough games like these. It was bittersweet for me. Neville is my brother, and of course you feel for your siblings and stuff like that. But I needed this one. Didn't want it, needed it.
Words can't explain the feeling how I feel right now. To come back and see the school win the Manning Cup after 32 years. You know, I am so elated. I am so overwhelmed with joy at the moment. You know, to know that my son can be at the school at this time to create history along with the school.
A day later, the Da Costa Cup title went to Clarendon College, as they got the better of Cornwall College 2-1, despite playing 76 minutes with 10 men. Goalkeeper Tafari Chambers saw red early, but coach Lenworth Hyde says that gave them the impetus they needed to push on.
Nothing won't come easy for us. We have to show character now. We are down, but we are not out. We just have to keep playing and be patient and wait. And they followed and they did it. A great bunch of boys.
And Hyde says attacking football paid off for Clarendon College.
Because it's so you win games, attack. Attack is the best form of defense. So we push them on the back a lot of time.
After that heartbreak of last year, we couldn't do a repeat. We have a good bunch of boys, a disciplined set of boys, an excited set of boys, and a set of boys who know what they must do, because per star red first year, persevere and excel. We will never, never yield, especially when we call the lower class Clary.
Nicu Daly and Lamar Walker were outstanding all season.
It's a great feeling to win the Da Costa Cup, coming back to our next final and get the victory.
I just keep my focus and know that I'm going to score today to make my team win, and I came out and I do the job. But I'm always confident. Play with my team is like a passion to play with my team. I have some great players, so I just have to work with them and we come out on the right day and we have it.
It was hard, but we did it. We did it. Chung far. We did it.
And we are Waterford, me I come from in a Portmore in a TVJ. And me I represent for Clarendon straight out of Waterford, Portmore. And big up them Mario Phillips, number 7 from last year. Big up on the Clarendon College for life.
Kill them 98, and we tell us so we'll come back for them 2018, 20 years later. And that is what we did, right? Big up yourself, Clarendon College. No, so you have a love straight to our heart. You saw how far we have come soon, no? Yeah, because we respect our school from ever since.
Still to come on Centre Circle, Ludlow Bernard says a force from above played its part in Kingston College breaking their 32-year title drought. And Shelley and Fraser Price brings peace through football to Waterhouse.